All right. Hi, I'm Dr. Anna Saylor with Van Every Family Chiropractic Center, and this is Kensington. Hi, sweet thing. Say hi. So Kensington's gonna get adjusted. You gonna hold this for me? And she's been adjusted since birth, basically. Since, well, she was in the womb.
Yep.
Are you ready? Oh, are you busy? Let me do it. Ready? Hi. And she's doing so good. She's doing so good. Ready, set, tap, tap. Ready, set, tap, tap. Okay, let me see. I know, I'm so busy back here. Good job. Good job. Ready? You're such a helper. You're such a helper. Obviously, she really likes to be adjusted. Wait, I gotta do this side. I'll do over here. Yeah. How's her belly been? Been good?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's kind of been upset, but because we started her with a little bit of formula, just because.
That's why your belly's showing up a little.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's why it's showing up. Almost done. Ready? Yep, all done. Yay! She just learned how to clap. Now you're not gonna clap. Yay, all done.
Say yay! Yay!
And that's how we adjust babies. Yay! Yay! Good job. Good job. Okay.